on camera the whole time. Start over. Good? Yep. Chicago! Hey! Yeah, this guy! Hi, everyone. Oh, no, you can be on camera, too. This is nuts. Well, you can't see.
Oh, no, you didn't. I feel this song so far in my soul.
Forget everything you think you know about American history. Done. That was quick.
Get out of here. I don't get it.
Episode of the Jet Sisters, our very first ever. I can't see. Yay. Take my sister.
Jess?
Do you want to build a sandcastle? I was gonna say a snow angel.
Where are we?
Hi. No, that's dumb. Try it again. What am I saying?
Are we being weird?
Yeah.
Are you scared of heights? Today I am.
Because I just love it, and here's the thing.
People are honking.
There's lettuce in my pocket.
Well, that happens, you know. Why is there so much lettuce?
360 degree view of the city.
Also, it's windy and the windy.
Oh, sorry. I messed that up.
It's bedtime.
It's so cold. Man, 20 degrees, no joke. We should come back in the summer. We should come back in the summer. Here, fake times. We're starting. Stop doing that on your face. Do you guys like my hat? Oh, that's why your thing. How do codes work? My code's broke because I'm from Florida. I haven't worn it in 5 years. I just won't unzip it until I'm ready for bed.
Okay.
And then I'll just shut me out of it. Okay. Nothing is good. So we get us or we get the sign. Other people are the worst. Okay. Your fingers are gonna fall off. Put your gloves back on. Okay.
Right over the desk.
Oh, it's not recording.
Get the fudge out of. Are you lying?
Yeah.